Hello, and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. To begin with, I want to show you my look, how I came to work. Not really my look, exactly, but the dress I'm wearing. I will tell you all about it. First of all, I want to show you everything. I tried very hard to create my look. I think I did it right. I have Italian open-toe leather sandals. They're handmade. I bought them many years ago. I have a linen bag. It is made from linen fabric and leather. I bought it in Paris in a small boutique. But I rarely use it because I rarely wear linen garments. In the near future, I want to sew something from linen just for this bag so I can create some more linen looks. I have this leather bracelet from Vilnius with yellow amber. It's a kind of reddish leather, which gradually turns dark, and includes this gorgeous yellow amber with incrustations on it. I rarely wear it either, because I have nothing to wear it with. So, I will make an effort to get rid of all old things which have been forgotten, and I'll use them now. Look at them, this pair of sandals, this bracelet, this gorgeous handmade linen bag, and this pendant with an ammonite. I also bought it many years ago. I took it off the necklace and put it on a black ribbon. I think it looks more fashionable on a black ribbon. Today, I'm wearing only things made from natural materials. Now I'll put the bag away and tell you about the dress. It has pockets. I bought it at a clothing shop in Latvia. We have got such a shop in Krasnodar, in the city center. I bought a dress, a bracelet with a mother of pearl, and some jewelry. Well, I mean, there are a lot of dresses for sale. For me to buy a dress, it has to be an exception, because I can buy something, but that does not necessarily mean I will wear it. I don't wear every t-shirt I buy, because when you put it on, you realize there is no style, but this dress has it all. I'll tell you all the reasons why I bought it, and why it's such a good dress for me. It is just mine, you know. This color and the linen are simply out of the question. I love this color. It's a mustard yellow. Next, look at the double seam with top stitching on the center front. Just a seam from the top to the bottom. It looks like it was made for me. That's how I do it. That's how I teach you to do it. I always say, do the seam in the center front. Just a seam. Even if you don't have any darts in it, just make a center seam from the top to the bottom. Perfect. Looks great. Next, I want to say the neckline. Look at this neckline. Out of this world. The neckline is made according to the rules I told you a while ago. The neckline is like part of a circle, not an elongated oval shape. The neckline is just gorgeous. I fell in love with this dress when I saw it. The armhole line, here it is, a straight line from the shoulder. And you would tell this dress was made by me. It's my sewing style. It's like my hands made it. But no, I didn't make this dress. I bought a ready-to-wear dress. Let's take a look at some more. The lines are going from the armhole, along the bust, and then going slightly inwards. I like lines that go slightly inwards. Not straight, but at an angle. I've told you many times about these lines, and I think they help you create a relaxed silhouette this summer. This line is also good in fitted clothes. I like those lines which meet a little bit in the bottom. Look, the seam goes here. We will continue to review this dress on the table. Look at the bust. I should say, it's not the kind of pattern which is just drafted wider. A little wider and that's it. It's wider all around and already good. No. I can say that this pattern was made by modifying the dart. The dart was here, then it was removed correctly. One part went into this design line. Another part went down, the other part was eased into the seam. As a result, this dart seems to be missing, but it was 100% here. It has been remodified correctly. I like darts in the garment. It is not just a flat cutout fabric. You put it on. I don't accept a cut like this. I like when the dart is removed by modifying. If we take the dress apart right now, you will see that the part of the dart went here, because look how it lays. You can't not lay a flat piece like this, and this is the secret of a good cutting. Next, the design line goes from those angled lines. The ruffle is straight, but this part, which we have here, is cut a little lower. This makes the back a little longer and the front a little shorter. And what does a wide dress exactly mean? Look, here is very little. Everything is on the belly and on the hips. A wider dress, just something I like. I always say, make it wider, but it doesn't mean that it's just wide. If it's wide, you'll just look like a haystack. No. Find that border line where it feels like it is still far from your body, and when you walk, it's comfortable. In reality, it's not so far. I like this dress very much. This design line, you see? I'm going to take the dress off and show it. Well, here's the dress in front of me. I want you to pay attention. There's a zipper on the back. Maybe it's 25 centimeters, but not 30 centimeters. It doesn't matter. It's a white zipper. It's sewn in such a way that the white fabric of the zipper is shown. Of course, you could sew it like this, so that only the zipper was visible. But why is it made like this exactly? It's an amazing effect that makes your back look smaller. If your back is wide, for example, and my back is a little wide at the top, this detail divides the back and makes it visually smaller, because this big back disappears. It is divided in half. I thought at first, why is that white fabric of the zipper visible? And then I realized it was all right. That's right. I like it. Look, how perfectly the neckline is made in the back. That is how I like it. I've told you a million times how to this dress. Well, and also the armhole line. It goes straight from the top here to here. Do you see it? Perfect. The back piece is a little longer. If you take it like this, it's about 3-4 centimeters. This is what the front of the dress looks like. We've seen it all. Look at this lovely seam. Great lines here, pockets in the seams, the very light ruffle. Basically, the dress isn't much wider here than on top. I really like this dress, and that's why I just felt like I had to show it to you. Here are the pockets. Look at them. This is the top. This is the side piece with allowance for the visible part. This is the bottom part of the pocket. This part is straight. And here's a fold of the pocket, right here in this place. And here's a visible part that goes inside. It's very convenient. This is how you can see the construction from the inside. It is stitched all around. And here's an overlock. It's really very simple, but high quality. I think that after the review of this dress, we won't need to show the draft on the channel, but you can comment what you think. If you're interested, let's draft it together. Okay, we probably need more linen dresses, maybe in a different color. So, we will work with linen. I would like to remind you that we have a wonderful course, a great course. It's called How to Make a Summer Linen Dress. The technology is explained perfectly there. How to work with the neckline, how to make the patch pockets correctly, how to work the wide facings on both sides of a slit. The slit could be on one side as well. But you will learn in detail how to make a simple linen dress. It's time to say goodbye. Click the like button, share our videos on social media, subscribe to our channel, write comments, and buy our courses. Stay with us, Irina Mikhailovna, and the rest of our team.